we're asked to find the domain, first of f of x equals the square root of 2 minus x, and then second g of x, which equals the cube root of x plus 5. We'll say that's a 5. So in our even root, we know that we can't take a square root of a negative. Okay, eventually it'll be an imaginary number, but either way it's not going to be in our domain of real numbers. So we're going to make sure that what's inside my even root, which is 2 minus x, is either positive or it can be 0. So I'm going to set it greater than or equal to 0 and solve. So subtracting 2 from both sides, I get the opposite of x, or negative x, is greater than or equal to negative 2. And then dividing both sides by a negative, I get x is less than or equal to 2. And if I want to write this in interval notation, I get negative infinity to 2, which means I can plug in any number that's 2 or smaller into that function, and I'll get a real value. Now, number 2, we have an odd root. So it doesn't really matter what's inside the odd root, whether that was x plus 15 or x plus 5, because I can't read my own handwriting, because anything can go into an odd root and anything can come out. It'll always be a real number. So my domain is just all real numbers.